Hello guys, if you wanna perform Saquon Barkley's reverse hurdle in Madden 27, the easiest way is to use Training Camp. From the main menu, go to Training Camp, then select Skill Trainer and choose the Philadelphia Eagles. You need the Eagles because I think Saquon Barkley is the only player who can perform the reverse hurdle. Once you are loaded in, go to the hurdle tutorial under Offense. The game will first have you perform the normal hurdle 3 times, so press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation to complete those drills. After that, a defender will appear and you can start trying the reverse hurdle. For the best chance of triggering it, make sure you are at full sprint and let the defender approach you from roughly a 45-degree angle. Then right before the defender reaches you, press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. The timing can be tricky and this move doesn't trigger consistently every time. You might get it on your first try or it could take 15 or 20 attempts. So if it doesn't work immediately, just keep practicing until your speed, the defender's angle and your timing all line up, and that's how you can perform the Saquon Barkley's reverse hurdle in Madden 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.